Who wants to play a game today? It's called If a Tree Branch Falls on My House, or an entire tree, does my homeowner's insurance cover it? So, I bet some of you think yes, some of you don't know, and for those of you that don't know, I have some good advice for you today, especially in the article below this video. Really, this whole video and article is about homeowners insurance, what it covers, what it means, what it does for you, what it doesn't do for you. The number one thing to know about your homeowner's insurance is, actually not to know, but to do is read it. Just because your agent says, oh yeah, if that big tree falls on your house, everything's covered, don't necessarily take their word for it. Make sure you actually read it in there to see if a fallen tree, if hail, if, you know, whatever it could be. If you want to make sure your house is covered by a fire, if a tornado hits it. Most typical homeowners insurance, you know, the standard package doesn't cover like war, nuclear threats, stuff like that. But then you can upgrade it. There's a couple levels to upgrade to. I'm not an insurance agent, but I just want to make sure that people are aware, especially with, you know, the tornado season, the hail season. It's windy. Also want to make sure on theft on your personal items in the house, if those are covered. So again, the big thing to do, make sure you read your policy, get specific things covered if you know you want them covered. If you live in a neighborhood with no trees, don't worry about it. If you live out here, I have trees all around this house. If one of them falls on it, I want to make sure my house is covered. So again, read the article below, make sure your house is covered. If you have any questions or anything, feel free to contact me. And remember, when you think real estate, think strategic.